Welcome to our video guide on managing the Click and Collect shipping module. In this tutorial, we'll walk you through the process of setting up and configuring this module to enable seamless in-store pickup for your customers. Let's get started. Access your website's backend and install the Click and Collect shipping module via the App Shop. After installation, navigate to the Module section, locate the Offline tab, and find the Click and Collect shipping module. Click on the Edit button to access the module settings. In the Settings section, enable the module to activate Click and Collect shipping on your website. Set the handling fee according to your preferences. Select the appropriate tax class and shipping zone for your store. Choose delivery date rules and configure them based on your business requirements. Disable delivery dates by checking the box next to the required day of the week. Customize the display order of shipping options during checkout to prioritize Click and Collect shipping. Now, let's move to the Restrictions section, where you can customize restrictions to limit Click and Collect shipping to specific customer groups, countries, or website pages. Define module names for both the backend and frontend of your website. Optionally, enable shipment tracking to provide enhanced visibility to your customers. Once you've configured all settings, don't forget to click on the Update button to save your changes. With this setup, you can now offer your customers the convenience of in-store pickup, enhancing their shopping experience and boosting customer satisfaction. Thank you for watching and happy selling.